Bearing the name of a legend, this 24-bit 192 kHz audio interface sports the combo TRS XLR inputs with the Rupert Neve Designs transformers switchable on each input. A rugged metal casing contains the line inputs, main outputs, MIDI in, MIDI out, and 48 volts of phantom power hiding in the back. The Steinberg collaboration with Rupert Neve Designs can be summed up in one word, maybe two. Quality, excellence is something to strive for when you're making music. It's also something to listen for, and this audio interface checks that box. EUMONIK, music maker, creator, peace to those that know the name. Audio interfaces all are basically the same thing. There's inputs and outputs, you can plug things into them. They take some type of signal and then turn it into information or data that a computer can understand and do something with. Then you can plug headphones into it, etc. So they're kind of like, I don't know, like tires or something. You know, tires are what they are. They serve their purpose, which is really important, but there's not like new designs revolutionizing the tire industry at the moment, at least not that I'm aware of. Same with audio interfaces. So companies are constantly trying to find new ways to make audio interfaces more exciting. And I was excited to see that Steinberg teamed up with a legendary name and brand in audio and sound, and that's Rupert Neve Designs. Rupert Neve, rest in peace, he had such a passion for music and sound that he put so much quality into all the things that he makes. That name will last for a long time. So when you see something with his name on it, it's gonna be thousands and thousands of dollars. But Steinberg made that quality available at a much lower price, and that's what I'm excited about with the UR-RT2 and the UR-RT4. This is the 2-channel. I would love to have a 4-channel. It only has one headphone output. That's the one thing that I wanted, was just another headphone output. Not a big deal. Now let's get it turned on so you can see or possibly hear the difference. Now, before I switch the transformer on, I gotta turn something else on, and that's the other one thing I don't like about this. The phantom power, 48 volt phantom power, is in the back. I've like memorized where it's at. I also would have taken this interface out and put it up here, but my cable management is like on point, so that's where it stays. I have it propped up. Hopefully you can see it well. Now I need to get recording. There's the clap. All right, we are rolling, good to go. Hit the like button for me if you're enjoying this video so far. So there's 2 inputs on this interface, and each one has a Rupert Neve Designs transformer. So it just adds a harmonic richness to it. I don't want to sound too cliche, but it does add this kind of sparkly shine, gritty goodness up in the high registers, the high frequencies. It makes it just sparkle a little bit. So hopefully you'll be able to hear it. We'll do a quick test right now. Rupert Neve Designs transformer deactivated. Rupert Neve Designs transformer activated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24-bit 192 kilohertz. 24-bit 192 kilohertz. Steinberg in Rupert Neve Designs. Steinberg in Rupert Neve Designs. So just like tires on a car, you need an audio interface. So if you're in the market for an audio interface and you want just that extra bit of quality, which Rupert Neve Designs is sure to give you, it's a good setup. It's a good 2-channel audio interface, and I'm stoked to use it and make more music. So thank you, Steinberg. That's it. Although I compared audio interfaces to tires, you want quality tires. Just putting that out there. As always, I appreciate you being here. For the first time or once again, I'm Mnemonic. On this channel, I make videos about the products, processes, perspectives, and performances of my life as a music maker and creator. All the links down below help support me in some capacity, and I really appreciate all of that. Like this video for me and subscribe. You're still here. Goodness. If I missed something, if you got something to say, comment down below, and I should probably go make some more videos. Speaking of which, this one's like really good. It's a lot of fun. All right, God bless.